Acquiring your first users is one of the toughest and most exciting challenges in building an MVP. Early user acquisition isn't just about growth, it's about learning. Every new user is an opportunity to validate your idea, test assumptions, and refine your product. The goal at this stage isn't to reach millions. It's to attract the right few hundred who can help you shape your product into something people truly love. The foundation of early user acquisition starts with understanding your audience. You've already defined your early adopters, those who feel the problem you're solving most deeply. Now, your mission is to find where they spend time online and meet them there. Your goal isn't to sell, it's to start conversations, build trust, and learn. Let's explore some of the most effective early acquisition channels for MVPs. First, community platforms. Online communities are gold mines for early traction. Platforms like Reddit, Discord, Indie Hackers, Product Hunt, and specialized Facebook or LinkedIn groups allow you to connect directly with your target audience. But there's one golden rule. Add value before promoting. Share insights, answer questions, and become a trusted voice. When you finally introduce your product, people will listen. Next, content marketing. Even at the MVP stage, you can build authority by sharing your knowledge. Write blog posts, record short videos, or publish LinkedIn articles that educate your audience about the problem you're solving. Focus on storytelling and authenticity rather than polished production. People are drawn to genuine ideas and real founders. A simple article titled "Why I Built This" can attract your first loyal users. Then there's email marketing, one of the most underrated tools for early traction. Build a waitlist or newsletter where you share updates, insights, and progress. Email gives you direct access to your audience, no algorithms in between. Tools like ConvertKit, Beehive, or Substack make this easy. Every email is a chance to build relationships and keep potential users engaged until your launch. Another high-impact channel is social media, especially platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, X, and Instagram. The key is consistency. Document your journey. Share behind-the-scenes updates, lessons learned, and small wins. The build-in-public approach attracts curious followers who want to support your journey. Many successful startups gain their first users simply by sharing their progress online. For B2B products, outreach can be incredibly effective. Instead of waiting for users to find you, go to them. Create a list of 50 to 100 potential users or companies who might benefit from your MVP. Reach out personally via email or LinkedIn, not with a sales pitch, but with a request for feedback. Say, "I'm building a tool to help solve specific problem. Can I show it to you and get your thoughts?" You'll be surprised how many people are willing to help. Partnerships are another great early channel. Look for complementary products or communities serving the same audience. For example, if you're building a time tracking tool, partner with freelancer networks or productivity blogs. You can cross-promote, guest post, or offer exclusive early access to their members. Don't overlook referrals. Your first users can become your best advocates. Offer small incentives like extended trials or exclusive features for referring others. More importantly, make the experience so good they want to tell others about it. Word of mouth is still the most powerful growth engine. You can also run paid experiments to test messaging. Even a small budget on platforms like Meta Ads, Google Ads, or LinkedIn can help you validate which value propositions resonate most. Don't focus on scale. Focus on learning. Which ad copy gets clicks? Which audience converts? Use that data to refine your organic strategy. Product Hunt deserves special mention. Launching your MVP there can give you instant visibility with thousands of early adopters, founders, and tech enthusiasts. But preparation matters. Engage with the community before you launch, build relationships with supporters, and plan your launch day carefully. Offline strategies can work too. Attend meetups, conferences, or co-working events where your audience gathers. Talk about your product, collect feedback, and build connections. Early users often come from personal networks and direct interactions. Whatever channel you choose, track your efforts carefully. Use simple analytics tools like Google Analytics, Mixpanel, or even a spreadsheet to record what works. At the MVP stage, you're not looking for perfect data, you're looking for signals. Which channel gives you engaged users? Which message drives signups? Follow the traction, not the trend. Finally, remember this. Early user acquisition is not about chasing numbers. It's about creating momentum. A small group of engaged users who love your product is far more valuable than thousands of indifferent ones. Treat every user like a collaborator, not a customer. Ask for feedback, listen deeply, and show them their input matters. In the beginning, growth comes from conversations, not campaigns. Your mission is to connect, learn, and build relationships that turn into advocacy. As your product evolves, these early adopters will become your strongest supporters and the foundation for scalable growth. In summary, early user acquisition is about finding your people, delivering value, and building trust. Choose 2 or 3 channels that align with your audience. Experiment relentlessly and focus on learning fast. Because the faster you learn who truly loves your product, the faster you'll find product market fit and real sustainable growth.